Yep, we will talk about this guy, the Rbass. I did a video on how to make hip hop beats, so I'll leave it in the video card. You can check it out. Okay, so before we jump in the video, just hit the subscribe button, and that's all the encouragement we need. Okay, first of all, Rbass does not come with a skin. I changed the skin, so to change the skin, there's this place written skin here. Just come there. This is the default one that it comes with, but I changed it to this one. Then there's also the legacy mode, which is this one. If you come here, you can AB this setup here. You see setup AB, you can AB the Rbass. So maybe you put one setting here, you put another setting here. Then this point here, if you left click it, you can change the size 200. That one just cover the screen there. 100 is the normal size, or 75. Let's just leave it at 100. This is for the gain output. So I want to show you how I use my Rbass. I use this with an EQ, and this is how I go about it. I'll put off other things so that we hear the bass. So just the bass and the kick there. I took the bass to mono, not all the way 90 plus there. This is the Rbass first on the chain. Now it doesn't matter the DAW you use. I believe you can learn a thing or two here. And the first thing in the chain is Rbass. Next to it is the EQ. This is important too. What I did with EQ, I cut everything from 63. I cut them off. For the Rbass, let's go through some settings here. This is for the intensity. So you see that round low end. Then you can bring in the normal bass or 808 sound here. This is for kick 2. So you can bring in the normal sound of the kick or 808. This is to bring in the original sound of the 808. Let's hear it. Out. In, out, in. So it kind of blends it together. The in sounds nice. Now this is to control which frequency you want to boost. If you take this all the way to the high, you see that this in will be more of the natural bass sound. Take it to 32. That's what you have. It gets smaller and smaller when you take it all the way to the left. Okay, so I'll just leave it at the default 80. Let me just type the 80 there. Okay, it's not just this Rbass I want to show you. I want to show you in combination with this EQ. So the EQ move I made here. So without the EQ, this is what it sounds like. With the EQ, kind of lets the kick breathe a little. Without the EQ, with, you see that the kick comes out more. We have a compressor on the chain. I have it there, and I have a side chain compression going on. So anytime the kick hits, the 808 will come down in volume. Rbass EQ. So hope you've gotten anything also. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so that you don't miss a thing, because we drop new videos every time. I'm El Proto, someone Pro Studio. That's it.